Welcome back. Let's go ahead and continue further. So now I'm going to go to my dashboard again, and here if I click on appearance themes, I could see this is a theme which has name 2020. If I click, it shows me details, and it also has a preview back icon. Similarly, our theme has just my theme as the name, and if I click here, it shows nothing. Version, anonymous, everything is nothing is there. Neither we have a preview screen. So let's go and first create a preview theme. So go to draw.io, or you can create anything. I would like to create my own preview for my theme. So I will select this quickly, and I'm going to do this. For now, just choose maybe this color, and I would say my theme. For now, I will just give this name, maybe increase the font a little bit, and I'll change the font style, or let's change the font color. Maybe change the font color to a little bit this or something else. Complete white. Yes, and this could be maybe 40. Looks okay for now. And maybe I will just move this here theme. Perfect. And if we want, we can change this also. Let me say if I put this gradient, I could maybe change this color, background color to something like this. Or so it's up to you what you want to do. I'm just looking for something decent. So maybe I will remove this. Yeah, I will also remove this. You can put anything else also. Doesn't matter. That's fine. Let's say I will say here mm, browser. Whatever you want. You can put a nice browser icon or something in front of it. Yeah. So this looks okay for now. So this is going to be our theme preview page or image. You can even change its font style if you want, but for now I will leave it as is. And click on File, Export, PNG, Export. Click on Download. It will download it. Next thing is we need to go to this file here in our theme and go to the style.css. And we, if we want certain things to be present here when we click on the theme details, here like a version, anonymous, and like the author details, other things, we need to make sure we fill out this information in style.css because WordPress engine picks up the information related to the theme and the author from the style.css file. So I'm going to go to this WordPress developer org, this link where I will get the default content of the style.css information. So I'll copy this and paste it here, and I will give the theme name as my theme. I don't want this. It can go away. I will keep this also same. My theme. Author name I can give my theme something, whatever you want. Author. You can give your own name. If your theme has a link, you can give your theme link. I don't have one, but I will just keep it for now, dummy. And if you want to give some description, you can give. So let's say I will say custom WordPress theme created from HTML template. And this also I don't need. I can get rid of this. Tags version for our theme is 1.0.0, and I can get rid of this. If you want, you can keep this, and you can even, if you want, you can also keep this, but I will get rid of them. Perfect. If I save this file and I go to my manage theme section and just refresh, you will see some information popping up here. If I click here, nothing happens, but if I refresh and click there, we should see the new information. So you see the name became my theme. I'm M capital, and if I click here, I see the details here. So description and author and theme name and version. That is great. But we are still missing the preview item. For that, we need to go to and grab the image that we had downloaded. After we have taken the image, what we will do is we will right click here and go to the click here reveal file explorer. It will take us to the root of the theme where we have kept our theme and paste that image file here. Make sure to rename this image file to screenshot.png. Once we have done that, hit enter. And now if we go to the browser and if we just refresh, we see that our theme image or icon is being picked up now, which looks decent. That's great. And now if we just click on this activate, it's going to activate our theme. And if I click on this one, it's going to show me my theme like this, which is pretty broken. So let's go ahead in the next video and try to fix this up. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and try to fix our styling. For that, I will go to my static HTML CSS template and click on this file reveal in Explorer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this and copy these two sections, images and assets. I will copy them. Then I'm going to go to my root of my theme, paste it here. Perfect. Now it's pasted. So let's go to our folder here. I'm going to close everything from here. I'm just going to open style.css, and the assets folder and images folder is this one which just we pasted. So I'm going to go to CSS and main.css. Here I'm going to copy everything, Control A, Control C, go to style.css, hit enter here and paste everything here. Perfect. Now I can close this and let's scroll to the top and see here there is a reference to Google Fonts, which is fine, but there is also a reference to fonts all in CSS. So now we are in style.css and let's look at where is the fonts other font this font awesome available. So from style.css we have to go to assets, then we have to go to CSS and then font all main CSS. So let's fix this part. So asset slash css slash font.css. And now that we have copied the content of main css in here, so I can click here and delete this file. So this will be gone. Perfect. So now if I go and try to do a refresh and see if that fixes the styling, it's still not fixed. It's marginally fixed, but not everything is fixed yet. There is a reason for that because there are other scripts file and css file which we still have to fix. So if I go to header.php and sorry, in the footer.php, we have these JavaScript files which we have to provide the correct path. They cannot be found because this says assets JS jQuery, but we are here in the footer. And then similarly, if I go to the header.php, if there were any CSS files here, like here we have one, this path also has to be fixed. So let's go ahead in the next video and try to see how we can fix this JavaScript and other CSS file paths. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Welcome back. Now let's go to our header.php file, and now we can get rid of this main CSS as we have deleted it. But in order for us to add the other CSS files dynamically or other JavaScript files dynamically, or maybe to enqueue any new plugin that we have installed, or the content of the plugin gets outputted in our header and footer, we have to make sure our header and footer are having a function called wp head in the head and wp footer in the footer. So let's do that. So here I'm going to say wp head, so underscore head. So this is a very important function. This will make sure whatever we enqueue or whatever we want to include via plugins or scripts or the CSS files via the enqueue function, which we will see in upcoming videos, those gets outputted here. Similarly, copy this and we go to the footer.php, and here before ending of the body we say wp footer. Remember, the place where we have to do is just before the body, and here just before the head ending head tag. So before the ending head tag and before the ending body tag, we have to add these two functions. If we don't add these two functions, the css and javascript files that we will enqueue from our functions.php in upcoming videos, those won't get outputted here. Similarly, if we will install some plugins, the plugins content which are needed to be added in the header or footer php won't be reflected if we don't add these files, add these methods here in the head and footer. So let's go in the next video and see how we can dynamically enqueue our script files to our theme. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for now.